Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can earn money online writing articles in 2026 and take it to the next level of value, readership, and income. So now buckle up, let's get started. And the first step here, you can go to YouTube and take it as an inspiration source of many ideas. And these videos are made by experts, gurus, professional in their fields. And of course, it's up to you. You can create your own articles using AI chat model, your own thoughts, and so on. But here I just take YouTube as an example to get my inspiration. And here I can go to TED Talks channel, and for sure you can find many of these popular videos around different ideas, different niches, topics, and so on. And even better, you can go to YouTube auto suggestions bar, and here we can type TED Talks like this one, like TED Talks, psychology, daily motivation, public speaking, leadership, body language, weight loss, nutrition, and so on. So just you can go through your niche you're interested in. So for example, if I can go to something like psychology, and you can find many of these popular videos as you see. So you can pick one of these videos to the next step by going to gemini.google, and here simply can type this prompt, just analyze this amazing video using GeoStyle generative engine optimization. Of course, I just talked about this awesome style that adopted by AI era nowadays. And of course, you can find this amazing video how you can convert your own articles and write your own articles into the new style rather than SEO, just geo. You can find this video down below in the first comment and description box. I also give you this ready to use prompt to convert your own script, your own text, your own previous article to beautiful geo style built-in one. Okay, awesome. So here I can go to gemini.google and type this prompt like this one as you see here. So go, and just in a few seconds here gemini.google gives you this awesome article based on GeoStyle as you see. So now it's time how you can publish these articles in its new style in different websites, even if you have a blog website or something. So I can use and leverage this amazing method to promote your stuff for products, digital products, or even anything you want, just by publishing these articles on different popular websites like medium.com, LinkedIn articles, Quora, Spaces, and so on, to get more traffic from visitors and from search results and from Google itself. So now it's time to make the way to this amazing trick, how we can take this level of this article, this raw article here, to a more beautiful style to increase your readership and make your audience and readers love you so much because you're bringing for them amazing value. That's just extract from your article and these ideas, amazing done for you digital downloads. Enable users and readers just read this article and apply these methods or apply these ideas that make people more engaging with your articles, with your words, words of advice, and so on, and make people, because you give them all of these resources completely for free. They love you, follow you, engage with you with comments, and so on. So how you can actually just extract these easy to make digital products, digital downloads, digital items from this amazing article. Here I can get this awesome article. Open a new chat here on Gemini and insert this prompt, just based on this article. Give me some ideas of digital items easy to make digital downloads rather than applications or AI SaaS tools or something. Just you can create something like cheat sheets, worksheet, checklist, or anything else easy to understand, easy to be applied, and so on, to be free downloaded. Like this one, based on this. Okay, and just paste this article. Okay, that's it. And just in a matter of seconds, Gemini spits out for you different ideas here, like the brain priming exercise planner, PDF, okay, brain blocks, poster, PDF, so on and so forth. Perfect. Tracker and so on. So now how you can create these digital downloads just in few seconds and with a click of a button. Here you can do that also on Gemini.Google. So for example, I can go to the first option here, the brain priming exercise planner, and I can get this whole one, okay, and copy and open a new chat as well. And here I can go to tools and go to canvas, okay, and paste, okay, and add something like make it more elegant and colorful, and paste on this. And here just paste here this article, the whole article I just made in the first place. And here just in few seconds here, Gemini.Google gives you this awesome planner for this amazing topic, as you say. As you see, like this one, comprehensive study plan, perfect planner creation, week 1, 2, 3, 4, topics, hours, quiz, and so on and so forth, key milestones, phase 2 resource checklist, as you see. Okay, that's it. Then it's time now to share this one to be downloaded to your device, and then you can hand over to your clients and your readers completely for free. So you can go download preview, download your preview to your device, as you see. Then it's time now how you can embed this digital download into your article, either on your own blog post or on medium.com post or something else. Here, leverage this digital download to get and capture emails from your readers to build your own email list. Then you can utilize this email list to promote your stuff as a newsletter and give them value day by day or weekly and so on. And within these campaigns, you can promote your stuff. It could be digital product, affiliate product, as you want. So for this method, I just can go to this amazing website that says hit.com. It's an amazing platform where you can create your own email list completely for free. So just here you can go and sign up for free in its starter plan, free $0. Then here you can go to grow option and go to landing pages and forums. Okay, so here to capture the emails of your audience and your readers by giving away this digital download that aligns perfectly to your article. So you can go to create your form, okay, and just customize it as you want. I can find anything you want here, like modal, and you can find amazing options and templates. I can go to something quickly like this one, choose. Okay, it's perfect way and quick. And then you can customize anything you want just by change this call to action or this image, this button, just the input fields like the name and the email fields as you want them. So simply here you can change in the one. You can get this call to action from ChatGPT or Gemini.Google as well. Regarding your digital download, this planner we made earlier, and this is for email address. You can add something like for name something, okay. And here regarding your button, you can change its color to match with this color of your image or something. Here you can make it blue, red, as you want, just by changing this palette. And you can customize it, border radius, font weight, and so on and so forth. Perfect. Okay, and here you can change this text or this button text or call to action as well. So here for sure you can upload any image you want. Regarding your template and your digital download, for sure you can ask her for Gemini to get your prompt to create your own image, and you create your image using NanoPana and so on. It's easy, don't complicate yourself. And here regarding the digital download, how you can upload it to this and form, I can go to settings and incentive, And here, after confirming this email and the name of this reader, I can go to this download button, choose your file, your digital download. That's it, and save. Okay, that's it. So now how you can get the link of this format to embed in your own article on Medium or anywhere else. I can go to this embed option. You can find different amazing options here: JavaScript, HTML, share, WordPress. So I can go to this share one to get this link. Okay, copy. That's it. Now the final step here is you can go to medium.com, where you can actually publish your own article, and it's a last part of this article as a call to action. Just encourage people to get this free digital download. There's no charge at all, and for sure you can add multiple digital download in every single article as you want. It could be a checklist, another one is a planner, and something else like cheat sheet or something. Makes people more engaging with your articles and your posts, and love you, and join your newsletter and your email list. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.